Monsieur Phyllisia, pas prendre n'importe qui de l'eau, monsieur.
Bon, mon
On est besoin de Phyllisia, pas le bal de l'eau tio. C'est alcaline.
Même comment on valise.
Ouais. Alkaline.
For your bon endorsement. Kangen water. Alkaline.
Moi, je pas prendre n'importe qui de l'eau, monsieur, son Fanm Chè.
Exactement. Nous pas faire n'importe quoi.
Ok.
L'eau chère, Fanm Chè.
L'eau chère, Fanm Chè.
Hey. And this is Steve J. Bryan.
Phyllisia Ross.
Priceless. You go crazy?
Hey, what's up, people? This is your boy Kevin, and we are live at Car Visuals, about to make it happen again. We have two big stars today. We're shooting a music video, you know, doing the usual good stuff. All right, follow me, bro. Hey, Carl, what's up, bro? Yo, Steve, we rolling, bro. No, I'm here. Got my boy Steve J. Bryan.
What's up, yo?
Yep.
The one and only.
We're shooting Fanm Chè by Phyllisia Ross and Steve J. Bryan. It's a hit. And we're gonna kill those visuals.
Yo, it's gonna be a movie. Trap King EP, nous savons déjà.
I'm always worrying about the food, child. So the catering's just arriving, makeup is on, we're setting up, it's about to be turned up.
Okay.
There you go.
Let's see.
Keisha the makeup artist here. Follow me on Instagram. We're on the set of Fanm Chè. Of course, a Fanm Chè is nothing without her makeup artist. Big.
And my boy Danilo on the
I'm here with my boy BK, you know.
Making it happen?
We're making it happen. We're gonna make a movie. A big
Got your
movie.
Fanm Chè. Got your Fanm Chè. Les chais. Les chais. Toujours bien habillés. Les chais. Fanm nan bien got your Fanm Chè. Got your Fanm Chè. Got your Fanm Chè.
Manzè kon maquillé,
Oui.
toujours bien habillé.
Oui.
D'achat kon jan li drip, manzè kon jan marché.
Oui.
Dress senti bon lèl pa nan gym, la fait lecture, la si un chèque, sans faire atu, manzè la ri et puis du
Fanm
zu.
s'arrête net.
Tête li bien plein, toujours bien faite, krasé quartier sans le pali net. Li gen connexion, li kon gâchette, sous monté mal net.
Dans la vec.
Kadon boss lady,
Oui.
Sou kaban très freaky. Li remet tap lo bal back shot, non l pa nan ti zouti. E sak fe len men Steve J.
Oui.
Charge blodek, vle fe lavel. Nom nan kokol tan pou Chanel, ti monsieur désolé. And she shopping terror, heels her bloody bottom price. You out here catching feelings, she out here catching
Got your Fanm
flights.
Chè. Got your Fanm Chè. Hey. Got your Fanm Chè. Got your Fanm Chè. Les chais. Les chais. Got your Fanm Chè.
J'arrive pas toucher, une choc qu'on a fait, c'est pas seulement comme qui a fait un Fanm Chè. I'm being nigga, pas l'aime
Day 2 of the video project with Steve J and Phyllisia Ross. Yesterday I didn't really give you details, so what it is really, it's like a performance-based music video where we're doing a whole bunch of scenes. Now we in this beautiful backyard. And we're about to do some crazy stuff involving snakes. Don't try this at home, but it's gonna be fun. And I still have my girl Keisha here. And Steve J. Bryan. And of course, my boy Danilo on the camera. So now we're gonna have an Adam and Eve scene. We have a bathtub here, a garden tub.
It's hot. I've been hot for 2 days now.
Okay, I guess our actor is in here. It's a python. How long is it?
How long?
Yeah. Oh wow.
Probably like 6 feet.
Oh wow. Let me show him. Whoa. I'm gonna back up a few steps. Wow. Never got bitten.
Me? I've
Yeah.
gotten bitten before. Not about this guy.
So this guy is cool.
Yeah. I
Okay.
use him every day.
Okay. All right.
He's super cool.
Okay. So we're gonna use him on the top now for the first scene. She's gonna be like over here, and the snake on her or here. Yeah. Ideally, I'm gonna start from here and walk to her. Okay. Ideally, I know it's probably hard. I would want the snake to pop his head while I'm walking.
We can try it.
Yeah, we can try. We can try that. I think that would be
see
cool.
what you're looking for.
Yeah.
And are you taking pictures or is it a video?
Video.
Okay.
And pictures at the same time. Both.
What is it for?
Huh?
What is it for?
Oh, it's a music video.
Oh, cool.
Let me take a closer look at this guy. All right. Oh, that's a beautiful snake.
Yeah.
Albino.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful
And he
snake.
behaves great. He's
Oh.
awesome.
Oh. No, I'm not touching that. I'm sorry.
5 minutes
All right.
later.
And this is Steve J.
You're able to read body heat like that.
Okay. And dealing with him, how do we deal?
As I said, don't overthink it. Just naturally.
Okay.
He's gonna be comfortable because there's already somewhere that he's on. You get me?
Right. So he's not. We're gonna lay me in the tub and just have him around.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do that. Let's get ready.
Do this.
Whoa. He's heavy.
Yeah, he's big.
Okay. Can you put him more out? Yeah. Because we want him. Yeah.
My dog wants it more out.
Yeah. More out.
My dog don't play.
Well, because we want to see him.
Yo, life is good. Life is good. She the GOAT. She the GOAT. Phyllisia the GOAT.
He has to say that because I'm here, guys.
No, that's not true. Everybody knows I say that
Although we
everywhere.
did make these costumes, guys. This is called creativity.
Yes.
I even made my little anklet. Me and my girl Michelle. Shout out to Michelle, baby. Courant naturel.
Yes.
Courant naturel. Malaise nan kom, avek tet mwen pa pou krom. Nek ki pense yo koule, nan jaden nan pa bay pom. Ma fe kob, wabom kob, it's a trip, trip, trip. Avek ou bien san les anem toujou trip, trip, trip.
Gajon Fanm Chè. Hey, Gajon Fanm Chè.
This is his favorite thing to do.
Yeah, you know. Monsieur, mais ça que Phyllisia, monsieur. I can want to la de no. Ah, well, bon.
No. What am I doing? T-shirt.
All right, y'all. That's a wrap. Yo, we killed it. We killed it.
We killed it.
Yo.
Big up Danilo and Kev. Y'all crushed it. Thank you, babe. Shout
yeah,
out to
sure.
TJ Bryan.
Yo. Yes, my baby daddy.
Yeah, Mikish, Mamamzelle, MUA to the stars, and you already know it's Fifi, baby.
Yo, it was a movie. Get ready. I'm super excited for that one. Summer hit. Let's go.
She out here, catch Gajon Fanm Chè.